Consider the real valued function fx equals to log 3x minus 7 by root over 2x square minus 7x plus 6. Find the domain of fx. Okay, so we have to consider both the cases. The first thing is that I have to let me take care of the denominator. So according to the rules that I gave, okay, for fx to be real, okay, for fx to be real, 2x square minus 7x plus 6 has to be what, greater than 0? Not even greater than equals to 0, it has to be greater than 0, because if it becomes greater than equals to 0, then the denominator will become 0 and the fx will become infinity. So it has to be greater than 0. So now let me do middle term factorization. 6 to the 12, so this is going to be 4 plus 3. Okay, 2x minus 3 into x minus 2 greater than 0. Okay, now let me take 2 common. So x minus 3 by 2. Now when we get this type of situation, x minus 3 by 2, x minus 2 is greater than 0. How to get the range of x? Always draw a straight lumber line. Okay, this is called the method of interval. Okay, draw a straight line. Now see, 3 by 2 and 2, take these values positive. I mean, the rule is that when you have plus over here, you need to take this value as negative. When you have minus over here, you need to take this value as positive. 3 by 2 is 1.5 and 2, so we have 1.5 and 2, so put 1.5 in front and put 2 over here. Oma, auntie ডাকছে. Now see, greater than 0 means this one and this one, right? Greater than 0 means positive, so I will take this petal and this petal, the plus ones. So you see, for the positive one, x is coming from here to here, and for this one, x is going from 2 to here. So that means x belongs to minus infinity to 1.5, money 3 by 2 union 2 comma infinity, right? This is according to the denominator. This is what I'm getting for x. Now I have to take care of the numerator also. As you did, 3x minus 7 has to be greater than 0, not even
Zero.
greater than equals to, greater than 0. It can be equal to 1. See, 3x minus 7 can be 1. If it is 1, then log 1 will be 0, then fx will be 0, because it is in the numerator, so not an issue. So 3x, but 3x minus 1 has to be positive. So x is greater than 7 by 3.
Mm.
Now see, from here I get x is
Mm.
7 by 3, and here I get that x belongs to minus infinity to 1.5 union 2 to infinity. So the only thing that is satisfying both of them is x is greater than 7 by 3. If I take this one, then I have to consider this portion as well, that is minus infinity to 1.5. But in that case, what will happen? Log will become negative. I mean, the inner portion of log will become negative. Okay, if I take this portion 2 to infinity, okay, so 2 to infinity means after 2 it can be 2.5 also, but if I take 2.5, then you see the upper one can become negative, not 2.5, say 2.1. 2.1. So if I take 2.1, you see log 3x is becoming 2.1 into 3 is 6.2. So that means log is becoming negative. So x is greater than 7 by 3 is
Mm.
the only one which is satisfying both this as well as the log part. So the domain will be 7 by 3 open interval and infinity. So this is the answer, A.